Go ahead and select the curve, then click on the Material tab. Before we add a material, double-click on NURBS path and rename it to Layer 1, just to keep things organized. Now hit New to create a material. Double-click on Material W01 and change that name to Color 1. Since there's no light in the scene, we'll make this an emissive material. Scroll down to Emission, set the color to a dark red, and crank the strength up to 10. Now click anywhere in the scene to deselect the curve, and you should see it glowing red. Nice.